Welcome guys, welcome guys. Today I'm beginning the review of Lenovo Idea Center A340. Today, today we are beginning the settings of Lenovo Idea Center A340. Okay, I'll minimize this somewhere so that you can see more carefully. This is first of all the display one. Doesn't work. So this is how it will be done. Okay, this is how it looks. Next is sound. Here you can pair a lot of audio and devices. You can also use the microphone setting as you like. Okay guys, can you hear me? Okay, next is the notification. In notification, you'll see a lot of changes there. You'll get notification like this. See, and clear all and the notification disappear. Next is focus. In focused, you can see the duration is there. You can use as a DND feature. Do not disturb. Okay. Next is power and sleep. Okay. If you click on this now, I have set 5 hours. You can also set to others. Okay. Next is storage. Storage, you can use storage strength especially. Set it from T. Okay. This is the chain. You can do now. Okay. That's all. Now nearby sharing. In nearby sharing, you can make it visible like a Bluetooth system. This is almost like an Android sharing system, which I'll do the internal review later on. Now multitasking. Multitasking means you can multitask with multiple apps while one application you are working. You can also multitask the other one. Okay. Okay, good. Next is activation. Here you can see whether your license is links to your Microsoft account or not. You can even change it and upgrade it also, but I would recommend most people to use their own preference. Probably the home one. Okay, next is troubleshooter. In troubleshooter, with time to time it will ask you to run a troubleshooter or you can run it by yourself. Okay, one second. Okay, next is recovery. Here in recovery, you can first do the troubleshooter which I have shown you already. I no need to show you again. Sorry. Now here, reset PC mean you can reset the PC. Like you can keep your file or remove everything. Okay. Go back. Here I'm not clicking it because it will automatically stop all recording. Advanced data नहीं कटूंगा. But these are the let me explain it. Go back. If this version not working, try uninstalling the latest update. मतलब क्या? Always try the latest first. If it doesn't work, only then and then uninstall it. Advanced data, you can start up from a disk or USB drive or even hard disks also. Most people doesn't prepare this way, but that can be great if you are resetting the PC and alternative device. Okay, projecting to the PC mean you can also use it like an Android tablet, also a Windows tablet. Sorry, similarly. Okay, remote desktop unfortunately ये support नहीं करता है. You need to upgrade your Windows 7 edition. So here people can choose their choice and activation whether they want to upgrade your edition of Windows or not. Next, clipboard. In clipboard you can cut and copy and also you can clear it also. It's up to your choice to enable this feature or not. Next, about section, you can see your device name, processor, RAM, etc. You can see now. Okay, that's all in the system. ब्लूटूथ एंड डिवाइसेज नहीं चाहते हैं प्रीवियसली किया बट ये गलती से किया network and internet and show you I can do up to in properties you can click on the recommended section mean use this in most cases to prevent issue so ये सेफ है ये डिस्कवरेबल है तो ये सेफ नहीं है For most people, it is not recommended to do it. On अलग अलग network, you can set अलग अलग setting के लिए. Okay, I trust you that you have understood. Sorry, data usage. In data usage, you can enter the data limit especially. Okay, I'll show you one in front of an example. This is monthly one. You can type 3500 for example from the Airtel provider. I'll show you also even. Save किया. Just a second. Okay. So this is how it is done this way. Okay. I'll show you one. Wait a second. There's an article which I'll also share with you at the end of the review. For now, I'm showing you Airtel plans 91 mobiles. Wait. I traffic caps lock for privacy, huh? So don't be scared of this and wrong spelling especially. Okay, yeah. You click here. Okay, I'll show you. Wait. This is wrong page. Just a second. I'll show you the correct one. No. Okay. It's a shame, beta. Wait, there was an article. I should have sent you the link. You were right. Data limit. If you type it now, you will get the base one. Okay. Wait. Just a second, huh? Okay, just give me 1 or 2 more minutes. I'll show you. Wait, guys. Thank you. Sorry for failing mistake any case, huh? They'll correct me. Okay, okay. 91 more लिखना है. Okay, wait. Wait. You can see a change किया policy. Airtel fair user policy it is now 3333 gigabytes. So wait कीजिए. I'll remove it again and I'll show you in front of an example. New limit. Again type enter limit. Okay. How much you should type? I'll show you. Free. 4 बार free phrase करना है. How many time 1 2 3 4? Here. 1 2 3. It be okay. As you can see from your service provider, you can even set a limit also. From there on, fast like AR5 only the service provider asks you to do it. What a shame it's not given for all or specific, but for FIP this is recommended from service provider that I have. Nothing else. Okay. Exactly. Let's go to the next point. Personalization. Very very important. You can choose your background here or you can use the default theme. This is up to people individual. But I prefer people are recommend user to use nature-based theme as well as colorist also to prevent eye strain. Correct. So you can see this. Okay. Since you already know from Windows and I just shown you one page. Here also you can set a lot of colors over there. But in some cases eye लाल हो जाएगा so default कीजिए. Okay. Lock screen. Very very important. In lock screen you have seen in Windows 10 changing, right? So here you can set a lot of cities wallpaper. But the new feature Windows font like only remains single. Yeah. There are no option out of it. So make sure it. So make sure you are enabling single if you like the particular city. If you do not like it, then change the city to elsewhere like London. Okay. That is up to you and leaving it. Okay. Sorry. I'm leaving it up to you. Okay. Okay. Next is text input. At text input you can change the search keyboard, voice typing, emojis and input method. More also. Okay. Done. It is your choice in start. Very very important. It is recommended to keep default, but this is up to your choice to do it. Folder also same. So not repeat multiple time. Taskbar. Here in taskbar, in taskbar, you can show a hide button or you can show icon. Both can be done, but this is your choice. I recommend default to prevent confusion for most people. Another additional tray one. Okay, I'll show you. Okay. So show I this is your choice, but due to confusing lines now, we recommend you keep it to the default, just like I'm done. Task alignment, you can automatically hide the type taskbar as you can see. Okay, wait. If you want to show it, you need to slide up. It is like Android setting, and you will give more space. I recommend sticking it to the Windows one. Biggest with unread notification. Okay. Flashing mean that a notification came with it. Okay. In task alignment, you can change it to left or to center without showing the revive letter. Everything. So that's all in the task bar. Especially you can change the alignment. Great na? Ha 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 ha. Next जाते हैं. Next is font. In font you can install also, or you can use the free-loaded one also. Okay. This is your choice, but keep it to the default to prevent confusion. You never know where the default experience. Okay. It is recommended that your account must enable data, not changing it due to provide the recommendation. Okay. It's your choice whether you want to do this or not. I recommend you to keep it enabled to keep Windows working at expected. Very good. This is why I recommend to keep it enabled. However, this is your choice. Next is application. Application you can manage and install things including the control panel, so you know it on Windows 7. So I'll not explain. It's like Android you get it. But you like Android you already know, so I'm not explaining here itself. Basically the same thing. Similar. Not same, similar. Okay. At one app setting, I don't know much, but you can get where service provider apps choose करेंगे, anywhere choose करेंगे or this thing. Okay. I recommend anywhere because so that you can customize the server and other recommendation even if other ain't different. Like suppose they've given you this. So what to do? You can change this to this way. That way you get customized. Good. Okay. Next is default app. Default app, if you want you can change it also to a lot of things which is learned from Windows 10. I don't want to tell you. Your choice if you want to change the default or not. I recommend keep it preloaded a bit to prevent crashing. You know the recent one. Okay, done. Next is offline map. Mm. Offline map, as you can see, no load make away, but here you can do this. Okay, you can install a lot of things, but this will take a lot of resources. So I will do it later, and I wouldn't recommend you to do it if you want lightweight free faith version. Storage location, choose where you want to choose. So apply. This is a great flexibility if you want to do it. If you're having face issue or to run performance depending on to it, you can choose your location. Meter connection. ये डेटा चार्जेट अप्लाई होते हैं, लिमिटेड डेटा के लिए recommend करूँगा. मैम अपडेट, it is recommended to keep it enabled so that you don't forget to check update with time to time, including Lenovo Vantage Windows update. We will come to this in the Windows update explanation. But here I've given the small more detail onto Windows update definition. Okay, that's it. To show you that later. Okay, optional feature. There's an article, but I will recommend you to explain it. This is the feature that you can install. Okay, or uninstall. But this is up to your choice if you want to do it or not. But recommended if you want a necessity feature, do it. Else not. So new and recommended option both सकते हो करना है. Like option of the which I'll explain in later time. Okay, good. App for website. You already know that how it is that choose to set always or not. Instead of browser, you can link open app. They're like suppose if you have open Chrome Facebook, take it to Facebook. Correct. Similar to this is on Android and it is known. So you already have known. So since it is known, I institute a bit, but I don't explain full. Sorry, but I didn't explain it because you already knew the rest. Okay, video playback. Now I get where the ending was submitted. Okay, app video playback. Okay, in app video playback, you can show the preview or you can modify there. This is entirely your choice and you know it from YouTube, so I'll not explain this. Okay, but mood resolution, keep it optimal. That's all. Okay, now I'll show you the plain season. This is the person who is taking to the runway 34 movie. Mr. Pahani created. अब देख सकते हो it is running smooth, a bit laggy, so that can change it. Okay, this is the example. Okay, so I believe you understood the rest thing. Okay, startup, very good. In startup, you can enable it and it will show you on the home screen, but due to slow performance and to make it fast, you can close it. Okay, now here tips will come in handy. Wait, boot PC performance. Okay, startup app, the soft startup. And this way you'll not face issue like this. Okay, as you have already saw it, you can redeem from this, but this is your turn. Okay, account. You can see your entire information over there. I'm not explaining because this is my personal face. So I'm not going to share my personal information with you. Are we? No. We are here for the review. So you need to share this to the viewer, not the information. Okay. Next is time zone. Limited. In time zone, you can set it automatically or manually, but recommending the service provider to do it. Okay. Region. In region, language and region, you can change language diction. We recommend you not to do it and use provider's language at your own understanding to prevent confusion and issues. Okay, basically. Okay, move ahead. I'll show you the next point. Gaming. Easy. If you click here now on a controller, you can click it. I don't have it, so I won't explain this. Come to directly graphic premium, so I'll not show you this point. Okay, coming to captures in recording preference, you can choose your capture or this is good when you're live streaming the game section. It is bit known for Windows 10 recently, then I don't need to explain this, but still I'm explaining for newcomers. Okay, now game mode. Optimize your gameplay by turning off streams in the background. This is very good because if you suppose the PC performance is low, automatically far के लिए gameplay करेगा. Good. Nah. But how is my graphic? I'll explain here. Here also let Windows decide power saving, which means graphic will be optimized to prevent some crashes. Okay, so check the explanation there. Okay. Yeah, yeah, good. Actability. I'm not going to do this. This is going to affect the review. You can change it depending on people's vision, hearing, etc. Okay. Privacy and security. And these are known from Windows 10. But still, if you click here now, in location you can see what recently had accessed. Due to known feature on Android 10 onwards, ये ले लगना है. Windows update. Here I'll explain what is optional update. Optional update means which is not automatically installed. Map update, Vantage update. But Windows security update and फिर internet program install करना है. Policy change. Okay. It is recommended to install everything depending on good next. Okay. That's all I wanted to explain. The taskbar, rest of the thing coming. Okay. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for explaining everything. I wanted to say friend goodbye. See you in the next my next review video. Dhanyawad.